This is week number 16 in my 52 and 22 cooking challenge. And all year long so far, I've been trying to go around the world with all different kinds of flavors, but also I wanted to go back in time a bit, which leads me to the Musso Frank cookbook. As you can see from the back, it is Hollywood's oldest restaurant, opened in 1919. It has made it through the pandemic, and I wanted to cook from it. Has a lot of legendary dishes. I'll point out many of them, but I focused on 3 dishes that are iconic there. Each of them have 2 signature ingredients. First, one has celery, one has blue cheese. That's an appetizer. Main course has fresh pasta and lots of butter, but it's probably most famous for something that takes these 2. A martini glass and a martini shaker.